Let us use multiplication of two or more negative numbers. Observe the following three children. Minus 1 into minus 1 how much? Plus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 how much? Minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 how much children? Plus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 how much? Minus 1. So, what do you observe here children? This means if negative integer multiplied even number of times, the product is positive integer. If negative integer multiplied odd number of times, the product is negative integer. Okay children? So here how many times? 2 first one? 2 times. That is even time. 2 is an even number. So 2 times it will be repeated. So that's why it will get positive number. And second one, see children, how many times repeated it was? 1. It will be repeated 3 times. Minus 1 will be repeated 3 times. That's why 3 is an odd number. That's why it will get negative integer as the answer. Next. Third one, see children, how many times it will be repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4 times repeated. 4 is an even number. So that's why the answer is positive integer. Next, last one, how many times repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times repeated. So 5 is an odd number. So that's why it will get answer negative. Okay? Did you understand now? If the negative integer multiplied even number of times means the answer is positive. If negative integer multiplied odd number of times means the product is negative. Okay children, did you understand now? Next, look at example 8. Multiply the following using. You didn't understand now? Okay, see. Minus, if you multiple negative integers even number of times, even is 2, 4, 6, 8 like that. Even number of times it will get answer positive. If you multiple two negative integers 3 odd number of times, that product is negative. Okay ma'am? Next, look at example 8. Multiply the following using associative law. Here question is given minus 25 into minus 4 into 2 into minus 8. So you have to use associative law. You have to multiple that one. How you can do it, I'll do on the board. What is the question given here children? Minus 25 into minus 4 into 2 into minus 8. And the second one is minus 20 into minus 2 into minus 5 into 7. So you should use associative law and do this multiplication. Okay ma'am? Give me that phone. Listen children, here some two versions are given. You have to use associative property and do the multiplication. Associative property means what now? So first you should multiple first two numbers, then you should multiple third one. Like that you should multiple. Okay. Now see first one. Minus 25 into minus 4. So you should multiple these two first. Okay. Next into 2 into minus 8. So 25 into 4. How much? 4 5 20. 2 is remaining, 4 2s, 8 plus 2, 10. Here minus into minus what? Plus. So plus 100 into 2 into minus 8. Next you should multiple these two numbers. Okay. 100 into 2 how much? 200 into minus 8. So 8 to 16. 2 zeros left means you should write 2 zeros. Here negative, here positive. What will get product? Negative. So one positive and one negative is means the product is negative. Okay. So minus 1600. So this is the associative law. Okay. Next, second one, see children. minus 20 into minus 2 into minus 5 into 7. So minus 20 into minus 1 writing here, and now I am exchanging these numbers, okay, into minus 2 into 7. Can we write like that, children? Just we have to interchange the numbers only, order changed only, okay. So 20 into minus 5 into minus 2 into 7. Now minus 20 into minus 5, you should multiply first these two. Minus 2 into 7. So 20 into 5, how much? 520 is 100. Minus into minus, plus 100 into minus 2 into 7. Now again these two multiple. 100 into minus 2, how much? Minus 200 into 7. How much? Minus 1400. Did you understand now? Come on, write. Okay, what is the question? Or minus 42 into minus 7 and minus 7 into minus 42. Both are equal or not, you should find it. Okay, children? And you have to write the law. Which law it is, you have to write. That is the question. So first you should take these two, and afterwards you should take that one. Minus 42 into minus 7. So 42 into 7, how much? 7 2 is 14, 1 is remaining, 7 4 is 28, plus 1 29. Minus of minus, how much? Plus, both are negative integers only. So the product is positive. Okay, next one, minus 7 into minus 42. 742 is how much? Same, 294. Both are negative only. So the product is positive. Both are equal or not? Yes, both are equal. Yes, both are equal. Which property it is? Which property, children? Here first one, minus 42 into minus 7. Okay, 294 is the answer. You have to reverse this order. Minus 7 into minus 42. We will get again same answer, 294. So you have to reverse the order, means which property that one? Commutative. Okay, so it is, therefore it is multiplicative. This is multiplication now. So that's a multiplicative commutative law. Multiplicative commutative law. Okay, children? Come on, right. Now look at 10th example. Simplify 26 into minus 48. You have to simplify this one, children. 26 into minus 48 into minus 48 into minus 36 using suitable laws. So we have learned the properties, no? That means laws. Commutative, closure, associative, distributive, identity, inverse. We learn now. So you have to use those suitable laws. You have to use this sum. You can do this sum. Okay, ma'am? So 26. What is the question given? 26 into minus 48 into minus 48 into minus 36 given. Okay. Now I am interchange these numbers. Minus 48 I am writing first into 26. Can you write like that? Yes, we can write. This is the multiplication only now. into minus 48 into minus 36. Here we can reverse the order. So which property it is? We have to reverse the order means this by commutative. By commutative law. Okay, by commutative law we have to extend the order. And minus 48 here also minus 48 is there. Now I am taking this 48 as common, minus 48 as common. What is the number remaining here? 26. Okay. Next into minus 36. Minus 36. Okay, here both are having minus 48. It is plus not into. Both are having minus 48. Both are having minus 48 as common. So that's why I am taking minus 48 as common. What is the number remaining here? 26. Here what is the number remaining? Minus 36. So by which property it is? By distributive. By distributive law. Okay. So minus 48. 26 minus 36. How much? 26 minus 36? Minus 10. Okay. Now 48 into 10, how much? 480. Minus of minus plus. So both are negative integers. The product is positive. So what is the answer? 480. In this problem, which laws they are used? By commutative law we are used and by distributive law we are using. Okay. Come on, right. Okay, now examples completed now, children. See this one, exercise 1.3, first question. Identify the last in the following statements. So you should identify the last. Okay, what are the last we learned? Closure, commutative, associative, distributive, identity and inverse last we learned. Okay. So what are the laws involved in these problems? You should write. Minus 3 plus 5 equal to 5 plus minus 3. Which law it is? Minus 3 plus 5 equal to 5 plus of minus 3. It is interchange. Interchange the order, reverse the order. So it is which property? Commutative property. Okay now? Order change means which property it is? Commutative property. Next, second one. Minus 2 into 1 equal to 1 into minus 2 equal to minus 2. So here I multiplied 1 with an integer. We will get the same integer as the answer. So what is called 1 here? Multiplicative identity. So which law is multiplicative identity? By here 1 is multiplied with the integer, we will get the same integer as the answer. That's why 1 is the multiplicative identity. Next, third one. Minus 5 into 2 into 3 is equal to minus 5 into 2 into 3. So which property, which law it is? All are multiplications only. But here first 2 multiplied and third one after that multiplied. Right hand side first, second and third multiplied, then multiple with first one. So which property it is? Associative law. Which property it is? Associative law. And fourth one, 18 into 7 plus of minus 3 equal to 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. Which property it is? It is multiplication over addition. So which property it is? Distributive law. Fourth one is distributive law. Next, fifth one. Minus 5 into 6 is equal to minus 30. Which law it is? Minus 5 is an integer, 6 is an integer. Answer product is also integer. Minus 30 is an integer. So which law it is? Closure law under multiplication. Closure law under multiplication. Sixth one. Minus 3 plus 0 is equal to 0 plus of minus 3 is equal to minus 3. So here 0 is added to an integer, will get the same integer as the answer. So 0 is called Added to identity. Which slide is added to identity? I will send this pic to your group. You should write an identity last. Okay, ma? That is the homework for you. Already I told. Okay, ma? You can write it and send it to my WhatsApp number. That is the homework for you. Did you understand the class, students, today?